Welcome. Today I am with JBL Tune 115 true wireless sound earphones, and I will show you how you can turn them on and turn them off manually and automatically. So the first, I'm gonna make it automatically. You have to remember to charge this case at least to the 50%. When you make it, just open the case and remove both earbuds. After a few seconds, we will be connected. To turn them off, you have to just put them back to the case and close it. As you can see, we are disconnected. Right now, open the case, remove them, and I will show you how to turn them off. As you can see, they are activated. So, to turn them off, we have to click and hold both buttons for 5 seconds. Let's make it right now. Until this indicators blinks 2 times on the white. Right now we can release. As you can see, we are not connected. And to turn them on back, just click and hold both buttons for 2 seconds. Let's make it right now. Release after they blinks 2 times. And there it is. We are connected. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.